I'm gonna do a slow-mo. Oh, hey, it's BBB and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be trying something that I'm very skeptical on trying on myself to see if I'm going to be able to actually achieve it. I'm going to be trying to do a fox eye. They were saying like it's inspired by Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner. And it's supposed to just give me a sharp corner, like spikes, well not spikes, but you know, sleek look. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt it. I'm kind of nervous because my eyes are a little small already, but I want you to come along for the ride with me. So let's go ahead and check him out. All right. Boop. From what I've seen a couple videos on them, they weren't really tutorials. I feel like they were all very vague, but from my understanding, all I have to do is really push everything in an upwards position. So I'm gonna go for more of like a neutral nudie look and see what I can get. I'm gonna start with edges from the Jackie and Anastasia palette. Packing in this color over here. You see like it's just going up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go above my crease right into the eyebrow just to keep that warmth in the eye, just creating like a, not a new crease, but a higher brow, I guess. You really want to go out. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but so you want to build up that color. Alright, so let me see what color I'm going to use next. I really don't have an eye look in mind. I just have an idea of what I'm trying to achieve here. So now I'm going to have a lighter tone. I'm going to go ahead and get ginger. Alright, so I'm going to go with Foxy from the Sassy Sienna's palette from those colors. This is what it looks like. It's like not a chocolate, but like a warm tan. Fill in what I did. I did do my whole like base off of camera. So this is just going all over my lid. Not all the way up to the initial color. So I'm going with a different color to see if I can really just try and build up what it is I'm trying to do. So I'm going in with the deep brown called Credit. Let me go ahead and show y'all. This one's more secure than the Juvia's palette, so I'll get the T's today right here. I feel like I need a different brush to help catch it, but I think it's really the dark color. I think it's really the dark colors that help get you the feel. I don't know if I'm gonna see if I can deepen my crease with a different color. I'm gonna start just getting that shape. Alright, so I think I want to go in with, this might be risky. I feel like I want to go in with Big Wig, which is a purple. I'm going to mix Big Wig and Credit together to deepen out my crease. This is Big Wig. Just to give it a little more pizzazz and really bring life to the eyeball. trying to bring it down into the wing. I'm just trying to blend it and bring it across. I think I'm getting it. Alright, so I'm gonna need y'all to give me a little second so I can, you know, regroup and make sure that I am okay with what I'm doing, alright? Be back in just a sec. Now that I've adjusted my lighting, I'm gonna go back into credit and try and give myself like a, not a smoky eyeliner, but a liner with the shadow. I feel like I'm kind of getting it. So it's pretty blended out. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that liner look they have going on. I'm gonna start by lining my eyes regular. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put edges very close to my lash line. And I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take Soleil, I'm gonna put it in the innermost portion of my eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tightline. Here is my black crayon.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So I'm just going to put trust issues as my inner corner. Innermost corner. Alright, I think I got it. I'm going to go ahead and finish my blush and whatever. And I'll come and show you the final look in a second. Alright, so this is what the finished face looks like. I'm not 100% sure if I got the fox eye look. I do feel like I kind of did it, but then again, this is not the nude eye I originally planned, but I do like it. It gives me like sultry, you know, I'm here, sauce fun. Let's see if I can come up with. Oh, I should put lashes on, huh? Let me go get some lashes up here, but. Alright, so I got the lashes on. I'm gonna do slow-mo. Alright, so I got the lashes on. Yes, these are magnetic. These are not the same style I tried last time. These are in Crowd Pleaser, still by Kiss. Alright, so this is what she looks like. Are you catching the vibe? Are you enticed? Am I foxy or nah? The answer is yes. Oh, do you catch the highlight? Are we seeing the highlight? Blink, blink. Ooh. Yes, so this is my attempt at a fox eye. I think I did a pretty decent job. Do I feel like I got it 100%? No, but she's cute. And that's all that matters. Yeah, tell me what you think of. Tell me how you think I did in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Always join the team. And remember to stay blessed, don't stress, and let God take care of the rest. Deuces. I hate you. Stop breathing so loud. Stop it. Stop.